And examiner said to her, I'm so glad that you went straight.
Yeah, and I'm trying to...
rather than trying to go there. And she got past first time.
Coming road, mirror again.
Next roundabout, go right at the roundabout, 4th exit towards services, please. Now it's okay, just continue in this lane, signal to the left for me. It's okay, I'm going to talk about this later. Just continue in this lane, it's okay. Next roundabout, going around the roundabout on your right, 4th exit. So going right at the roundabout, taking the 4th exit, please.
Right at the roundabout.
Yeah, 4th exit, what do we have to do? And what sign are you looking? 30. Okay, mirrors and
signal.
We have done the roundabout before. Keep your car positioning more to the
right.
Count the exits.
1, 2, 3, 4th exit, right?
4th exit.
Mirrors and...
Yep. For you're looking. What are you looking when you're heading a new road? 40. Next roundabout coming up after the bend. I would like you to cross the roundabout ahead, 2nd exit towards services. Repeat what I said.
Cross the roundabout, 2nd entrance road.
Cross the roundabout ahead. Say ahead.
Ahead.
Yeah.
Services, that's back way. Indication, yeah. That's a black out, nice.
Okay.
Services.
Good. And as you're joining a new road, apart from you looking, what are you looking?
New road, 30.
Yeah, new road, new speed limit signs and new mirrors. Turn left. Straight away, I requested you that next roundabout, go right at the roundabout, take the 4th exit. Did I not say right? I said, isn't it? So because we have to go right at the roundabout,
I have to position myself before.
So straight away, even though you had a car over there, what would you have done that time?
Single and position myself to the right.
No, you check your mirrors and signal first, and then we have to assess the traffic on the right lane, because we are going into their lane. If somebody is coming too fast, would we gonna force and then make them slow down?
It's not safe.
No. Yes, signal is on. Remember that you have already signals. And then once they goes and nobody behind, what would you do again? Check your mirrors and come over here. That's one option.
Okay.
Other option, tell me what other thing you can do. So you're driving, I'm coming here, but you have already signals. My body behavior now, you can see the gap is now getting bigger. What is that indication for you?
He's slowing down so he could merge.
Yes, that's an indication. I don't like this, but sometimes they're coming, but they start flashing at you. What they might be telling you.
Yes, we know.
Or they might be giving you the way to come over there. But if you do not signal like you didn't do that, how would people on this road know what your intentions are?
They won't know.
Okay, but the reason why I asked you to continue, because I want you to teach a lesson. Because you were on the left lane, and left lane only to go where?
That was going to Darwin.
Left motorway. Do we allow to go to motorway?
No.
Or 2nd exit. So I asked you to continue 2nd exit. That was a safer option. If that happened on your exam, would you get fail on that?
Yes, most likely.
No, you will not gonna get fail.
Seriously? So if we continue safely?
Yes. Okay. My own daughter.
Okay.
I'm not lying to you. My own daughter, same road, Examiner asked her to turn right, go right at roundabout 4th exit services. It was early morning test, but her time was different. She signals, but there were so many cars are coming. Nobody was giving her the way to come over there.
Okay.
So what she did?
Continue
She cancelled the signal. She continued straight, like what we did. So I asked you to continue. We went around the roundabout. We come back and we took the second exit.
Okay.
And examiner said to her, "I'm so glad that you went straight,
Yeah, and I'm trying
and
to.
rather than trying to go there." And she got past first time.
Okay.
Because there's a myth that if they're telling you, you have to do
Okay.
that. If you're going to keep doing that, yes, then it will become a serious fault. If you do 1 or 2 times, as long as you're doing it safely, you don't get marked down or fail on that.
Okay.
Is that clear, the concept?